Now I hope that the double-sided tape will hold on long enough for me to drill the holes and put in the screws.
Oof, the shelf didn't fall down and it's nice and level. So this is where we left off the last time. We've got a shelf on top and on the bottom. Now the structure is still a bit flabby, as you can see. We need to address that, but first we're gonna install some more shelves because the store finally has some more wood in stock. And now it's time to put the back plate in.
Now this plate is only 4 millimeters thick. I did that for a reason. 1, it's cheaper. 2, it's lighter. And most importantly, it has some flex to it. And that's very important. Why? Well, each shelf is gonna be a little bit different. Nothing is perfect, and also the position can be a little bit different. So if you have a very thick plate with no flex, then you will have gaps in the back. Okay, the back wall is in, and if we hang our measuring tape on this side, I can read at what distance I need to drill on the other side to put the screws in. We are going to install this aluminium profile, or aluminum like the Americans say, so our back panel can slide in and out. Okay, so I'm gonna use these short screws. These are 3 millimeter in diameter, so we are going to drill this hole 4 millimeters. Then we make a nice clean edge with a bigger drill. Okay, let's test it out. So the screw fits, but it's sticking out, as you can see, so that's not good. I will need to make the hole a little bit bigger. I'm guessing 6 millimeter will do the trick. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. This tool will work better to clean up the edges. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. Now, if the screws are interfering with the sliding, then I'm gonna remove them and just glue the aluminium profile into place. Okay, let's try it out. It works pretty good, but I think that the screw is interfering a little bit, because if I lift it up, it slides easier in and out. Oh, wait. I have a better idea. I'm gonna remove the U profile because I noticed that the wood slides better on the wood than on the aluminium. And instead I'm gonna install this 90-degree aluminium profile, and it can also act as a support beam. This needs to support a lot of weight, so I'm gonna drill a hole every 10 centimeters. So now we have 9 little holes. The distance is just half of this, measured from here. That's 9 millimeter. Then we place it onto here and drill it again through the hole and through the wood with the 3 millimeter drill. And now we can make the holes 6 millimeter so the screws can pass through. And now we can put the long screws in. All right, let's put the screws in. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. Okay, let's try it out. Oh yeah, that slides way better. So now I only have to install the second 90-degree angle right here, and then the U profile here on top. Oh, and by the way, this plate is 12 millimeters thick because 5 millimeter is way too flexible and 20 millimeters is way too heavy. Oh, and it's not 1 meter wide, but only 90 centimeters because then it would actually fit in my car. It also makes it a bit lighter. And then I still have some room left here to put in all the cables for all the electronics, the lights and the motor that is going to be in this closet. Now I can't drill in the same position as these holes, otherwise this screw is going to hit this screw. And bam! The secret back door is ready. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. That's so cool. And then this piece was a cutoff out of this piece, so that should fit perfectly.
Oh yes, very nice. And now it's time to install those shelves. And with this handy tool I made, we can make fast track of installing those shelves. Well, it took a few weeks, but the shelves finally arrived and they're already cut to the right size. So let's install them. Alright, but first we need to remove those very annoying stickers, but that should be very easy with a little bit of heat. Oh, don't you just hate it when that happens? Oh well, I better get used to it because I still have to do it a few more times.
Yes!
So now we have a wall that can slide in and out of the secret compartment in the back, and we've also installed all the shelves. Okay, I think that's enough for this video, and the next update will be in the next video, so don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss it. Thanks for watching, and you all have a nice day now. Bye!